Hey, what's up guys? If you have been looking for a 3D printer but are worried about breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today we are diving into the top 3 best budget 3D printers of 2024 that offer fantastic features and performance without emptying your wallet. Whether you are a hobbyist, a do-it-yourself enthusiast, or just getting started with a 3D printing, I've got some great options for you, so let's get started. Also, keep in mind that all links to budget 3D printers I'll be discussing in this video will be included in the video description below. Coming in at number 3 is the Monoprice Voxel. This 3D printer has been making waves for its excellent value and user-friendly features. The Monoprice Voxel features a compact design with a built-in touchscreen interface that makes it easy to navigate through settings and print jobs. It has incredible build volume, which is ideal for most small to medium sized projects. This printer is equipped with an enclosed print chamber, which helps maintain a stable temperature and reduce warping, making it great for printing with a variety of materials. It also includes a heated print bed and a fully automated bed leveling system, so you can get started quickly with minimal setup. One of the standout features of the Voxel is its ease of use. It comes with a built-in camera that lets you monitor your prints remotely, and its pre-calibrated print head and intuitive software makes it perfect for beginners. Plus, the Monoprice Voxel is known for its reliable performance and consistent print quality. For those who want a budget-friendly 3D printer with a straightforward setup and reliable performance, the Monoprice Voxel is an excellent choice. Prices update on these 3D printers almost daily with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you'll find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. At number 2 we have the Creality Ender 3. This printer has become a favorite among the 3D printing community for its affordability and impressive upgrade potential. The Creality Ender 3 features a sturdy frame and a spacious 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume. It's known for its open frame design, which allows for easy access and modifications. The Ender 3 also comes with a heated print bed and an improved extrusion system for better print adhesion and quality. This printer uses a simple yet effective Cartesian coordinate system, which contributes to its ease of use and reliability. The Ender 3 is compatible with a wide range of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, giving you plenty of flexibility for your printing projects. One of the best aspects of the Ender 3 is its strong community support. There are countless online resources, forums, and modification kits available, making it easy to customize and improve your printer over time. The printer also offers a good balance of performance and affordability, making it a top choice for many enthusiasts. For those looking for a versatile and upgradable 3D printer, the Creality Ender 3 offers exceptional value for its price. Its strong community support and potential for modifications make it a standout option in the budget category. And finally, at number 1 we have the ELEGOO Mars 4. This 3D printer is a fantastic choice for those interested in resin printing and looking for exceptional detail in an affordable price. The Mars 4 features a sleek design with a 7.6-inch monochrome LCD screen, which provides fast curing times and high-resolution prints. It has a build volume of 192 by 120 by 200 mm, which is ample for most detailed resin prints. This printer utilizes an improved light source for even curing and reduced layer lines, resulting in smoother and more detailed prints. The Mars 4 also includes a new linear guide rail for better stability and precision, which enhances the overall print quality. Ease of use is another strong point for the Mars 4. It comes with a user-friendly touchscreen interface and supports a range of resin types for different applications. The printer also features a quick change resin vat and an easy-to-clean build plate, making maintenance straightforward. For those who want to dive into resin printing without breaking the bank, the Mars 4 offers excellent detail, fast curing, and great overall performance. It's a top pick for everyone looking to achieve high-quality prints at an affordable price. And that wraps up my list of the top 3 best budget 3D printers of 2024. Whether you're into FDM or resin printing, there is something here for everyone. Let me know in the comments which printer you are excited to try, or if there's another budget 3D printer you think should be on this list. So that's it for this video, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all budget 3D printers that were mentioned in this video. See you in the next one.